installed a big waterfall with all these boulders. Goes down there, and I planted all the trees around. Looks great. Here we have the waterfall. And on top of some of the plants and trees we installed. There we have the perennial of the month up there.